This is a review of DisplayLink Docking Station triple monitor. This model is DSC013. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we have inside the box. Here is the user manual. This is the adapter. USB-C to USB-C cable. Power cable. And USB-C docking station. It is metal and it is very cold. USB-C, Ethernet input, USB-A, 3 HDMI input. If you want to use these, you need to install DisplayLink. And there is one here, USB-C, 3 USB-As, SD and TF card. I'm just going to go ahead and plug the power source right there. And we're just going to go ahead and use USB-C cable to make the host connection to laptop right there. And I'm going to go ahead and plug it in there. Then I will plug it into my laptop. Let's see. Here is the HDMI cable. Let's go ahead and connect it. And we can go ahead and turn it on. Now it's on. Let's go ahead and extend the screen. First of all, we're going to do duplicate. And now duplicate. I'm going to go ahead and extend the screen. Now it's extended. And let's do the second screen only. You see, extend again. And duplicate. And PC screen only. I'm using external keyboard and the mouse right there. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in. Now USB-A. And the mouse is working already. What about the keyboard? Let's turn it on. And the keyboard is working perfectly. Next test is going to be USB-C. Let me go ahead and connect this and try to transfer something. Okay, this file 2.92 gigabyte. Let's see. And it is calculating right now. Because it has so many pictures inside and those are high quality. It's gonna be about 2 minutes. Then it is transferring well. You can also use triple screen, but right now I don't have triple screen. I can definitely suggest this product because it has 3 HDMI inputs and 1, 2, 3, 4 USB-A input and 1 USB-C input, and also Ethernet input, SD and TF card input, and audio jack in and out.